Hey, what's up guys? Slut Lizard's back in the house. We're doing some side-by-side. Dee's got some Magic Pearl. I'm going Sahara Gold action.
You pick what you want.
Well, you do. It's a versus, you know?
That's what I was going.
Ooh, mine just hit though. I don't know about that one. I'm gonna go for it anyway. 375, 625, $12. Actually, I'm gonna burn some spins at $1.25. Some speed spins. All right, how back to the spins. Burned up some of those passes. $15.2 up top. $15. Yo! I didn't think we got it, but we did. Yeah, buddy, we got the first bonus in the battle. Come on, did you get a bonus? Oh, I thought you had one. Open spin. Come on, big numbers. 62.50. Where'd those big numbers go? Come on. Yeah, another 62.50. All right, top row. Let's lock them in. Come on, top row. Sing it. Yeah. Stick them. Oh, you got a bonus. All right.
See what happens.
He's going for his bonus. We're going for the 15K. Stick him. Stick him. Out of 15. Oh, he's got some good numbers going on. 325, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna keep going. On the low bet, but hey. Yeah, we're just bonusing it up. Stick them.
Okay.
All right, 9 games at 100 is not bad. All right, let's get some of those wilds to stick. Something. No connectors. Hey, you got another bonus.
Not bad.
Got 250s in there? That's nice. Get some back-to-back. I'll do it. Come on. Do it. Come on, do it. Oh, I got it. Yeah, another bonus.
228.
Man, we gotta catch up, guys. When are you thinking of quitting?
I don't know. I'm gonna see what happens here.
I've literally gotten like one at a time since the beginning of like zero. It's taken forever to get here. Oh, we're done, guys. Let's count them up. $78.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it again? Yeah, that's crushing us. Do it.
Okay, and one pearl. Pearls with words. Pearls with words. Yeah, pearl with words. Pearl with words? How about a major?
Do it, come on, guys. Do it.
Do it. Smack it in. Oh, smack it in for me. Nope. All right. All right, 220. All right, we're at 986. I say we keep going.
He's beating us.
I have a feeling some pearls with words are going to happen.
Now let's get that bonus.
Oh!
Man. These things are
See what happens. Doot, 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 doot. Need a big pearl in the middle. Oh.
man, guys, I think we should have quit.
Oh, we got a pearl. All right. Not the biggest pearl, but we'll take it. Anything's better than nothing.
Go for it, guys.
Pearl with words? Last spin, pearl with words. Oh no. Okay.
Do it, come on, do it.
Wow. Swinging for the fences next door. Oh, that's too bad. Okay. So $113. Oh, up to 1,000.
Do it, do it! You turd. I swung for the fences, guys. We went for it.
I'm gonna go to 1,000 and then call
He
it.
wins this round. We got 0. 300 in, 0 out for us. I tried to catch up to him. Unless he keeps...
Oh, I'm going to 1,000.
Oh, man. What a killer. He just crushed me. Let us know if you guys like this type of content, which is side-by-side. It's going to be kind of wild with all these bonuses mixing them in together. Come on, D, get some more.
Down to the last 4 bets. Okay, last bet.
Wow, $1,000, man, from 300. Good run, man. That was epic.
All right. Well, that
Well,
feels
thanks for
pretty good.
watching, guys. See you later.
Bye.